Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the look of your Seiko SKX by changing the strap. Okay, so let's get rid of this, which is the standard SKX strap, and bring in this first strap, which is the Hirsch Terra. All the straps which I'm going to show you are 22mm straps. That's the size of strap that you need for your SKX. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's got quite a casual feel to it. Nice light brown tones and a suede feel to it. Okay, moving quickly on. We've got one of the kings of straps. This is the Hirsch Liberty. This is a very popular strap. You'll see this on Instagram and various other places quite a lot. And that's why, folks, it looks great. It's middle of the road. It's a strap that's both casual and smart at the same time. It can be a bit of anything, and it looks really good on this Seiko SKX009. Okay, next up we've got this guy, which is the Hirsch Jumper. This strap is blue. Let's have a look and see. Yeah, you know what? I'm liking this one as well. I didn't think I would, but it's quite casual. It looks a bit. It would go really well with denim. I'm liking it. This Seiko SKX is so flexible. It looks good with so many straps. So next up, another oddball. We've got this. This is the Hirsch Robbie. And let's see how that looks. And again, yeah, I'm liking that a lot. I think that works well. The red stitching and the red kind of edging here work quite well with the little flash, the pop of red on the SKX009. Liking that. Okay, next up, this guy. Hirsch. It's the Hirsch Knight. So you've got alligator embossing here, and this one's quite formal. This is quite a dressy strap. To me, it's maybe just a little bit too dressy for the SKX, but you know, you can still pull that off. Okay, next up we've got this strap here, which is, what does it say? It's a Cavarsco leather strap, and this comes from, keep me right in the comments if I've said that incorrectly. This one comes from cheapest Nato straps. They sell these at a very reasonable price. And again, guys, I'm liking this one a lot. This has definitely got a casual sort of summer vibe to it, but liking it. It goes well. It goes well. Okay, next up. This is a black strap from Kakota, from Watch Gecko. Let's see how this looks on the SKX. Okay, not feeling this one as much. I think a black strap would need to go on the SKX007. Doesn't look all that great on the SKX009. And that one was maybe just a bit too formal. Next up, the Hirsch Ranger. Another brown strap. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Again, quite casual, but yeah, I think that goes well. It offsets the colours in the SKX just nicely. Let's move on. Okay, another oddball. This is the Hirsch. I can't read it. Hirsch Mariner. Sorry, folks. Took a while to be able to see what that was there because the text is quite small. And yeah, you know, I didn't think this would go, but you know, if you ask for something casual, the Hirsch Mariner, this looks pretty good. I'm going to try to turn this a bit side on, which I'm not really doing because I'm not using the spring bars to get through them quickly, but I like the way that this tapers down. That is quite nice, quite a unique look, quite a statement. Makes it quite a good summer watch. Okay, next up, our popular choice is this guy, who is the upside down. This is the Hirsch Luca. And yeah, that is nice as well. I mean, it is quite a formal strap, but that does go really well. This strap looks amazing on most watches, and the SKX is certainly no exception. It looks good. Yeah. So at this point, I should say all of these straps, they are my own collection. I've not been sponsored by Hirsch, although I have a lot of different Hirsch straps. I like to change things up. If you're after any, you can check them out. They're on various websites. I use Watch Obsession. They've got a really good selection. This next strap is a Hirsch Grand Duke. And this one is, again, it's quite a formal strap, so we'll see how it does with SKX. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. I think it's maybe a little bit too formal for the SKX. But maybe. Not so sure. Maybe it would go better with the 007 rather than the 009, that one. All right, there we go. Oh no. Okay. This is the Hirsch Rainbow. So this is a fairly inexpensive alligator embossed pattern strap, and yeah, that's that's unique. Okay, I think this is the first strap I've seen that the SKX that doesn't really go with SKX. Yeah, I don't think SKX and alligator green is a good combination. Let me know what you think. Okay, next up we have this, which is the Hirsch Rebel. Now this is a leather Nato. So I'll just put that on there so you can get the general idea. So yeah, that looks alright. That's great. If you're after that sort of casual look, then a leather Nato works, probably unsurprisingly, quite well with the SKX009. Okay, next up we have this, which is a watch from, I think this is from Kakota again, so from Watch Gecko, and this strap was significantly discounted. I think I only got this for a couple of pounds. Okay, so an aviator style strap. Okay. That doesn't look half bad, you know. I wasn't expecting that to go, but that looks alright. I'm not quite sure about the stitching there, but nah, that looks okay. Looks okay. Another win for the SKX. Next up, what we got? The Hirsch Buffalo Artisan Leather. Okay, and they're quite, I'm not sure what this one is, whether this is casual or formal or what. But it works quite well, doesn't it? That looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I wasn't sure about this because of the way the stitching is. The stitching's quite far in from the edge of the strap, but that looks good. Could get away with that with the 009. Okay, we're into the final stretch. Next, we have this guy, and that is the Hirsch Camel Grain. Let's see how this looks. It looks okay. It looks okay. Maybe a bit too formal, I think, for for the SKX009. I think this might go a bit better with the 007, maybe. I'm not sure. It might just be a bit too formal. I'm not sure. Next up, we have the Hirsch Riveta water resistant strap. Got another video about the Hirsch Riveta. I called it the ultimate summer strap. And looks wise, I've not changed my mind. I think the look of this is great. I do like the way that it looks like. It's got this kind of, this effect. It looks like decking on a beach. it's good, but it has a flaw, and this model's been this strap has been discontinued. I think it's because of this. Like it's got a lacquered finish, and where it's been worn, and this strap really hasn't been worn that much. The lacquer's all just flaked off. Not good. Not good. We expect better from you, Hirsch, especially for straps that are costing $40 odd or more. Right, last up we have another Kakota strap. This is Gakota's genuine leather. This is, I think this one was fairly affordable as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, liking it. Yeah, that works well. The texture of the leather, the sort of the worn look works really well with the SKX009. Yeah, okay. I think my favourites are this one, the Hirsch Liberty, and maybe, oh, sorry, I'm losing bits of strap all over the place here. Maybe this one as well, which was the Hirsch Terra. I think that looked good, didn't it? That looked good. Yeah, that one was good. Nice casual strap. But I think the prize goes to the Liberty. That's the one. That's the one I would say. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. That's just everything. Yep. If you had that, you would need another strap. Now, obviously you're not going to go diving with a leather strap on, you need to swap to something else, but if you're not planning on going in the water and you want to customize your SKX, then have a look at straps. There's so many 22mm straps you can pick up that completely change the look of your watch. Don't need to go and buy a new watch. If you can change the strap, you can change the look. It feels like a whole new watch. So folks, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, then please do like and subscribe to see new content as it comes up. Thanks for watching.